wait. Just sit, relax and drink the water.
I'm very thirsty here. I don't have the patience.
I get it, but nowadays everybody is in hurry. But when you drink water like this in a standing position, it gushes down into your system and it will weak your joints, muscles, bones in the long run.
Really?
Yeah. When you drink your water sitting down, the nutrients reach the brain and boost its activity. It also aids in better digestion and ensures that you don't feel bloated after having water. Impurities get flushed out and your health improves overall. Many people say that you should drink a lot of water throughout the day, but our body tells us when it's thirsty and that is the right time to drink water. Drink water first thing in the morning, especially when you wake up. It is the best time to drink water. It helps to take in good saliva in the body and also helps to relieve constipation, increases your metabolism and reduce your weight. Also, drink water 1 hour before or after food. Drink warm water or at room temperature instead of chilled water. Chilled water as well as some cold beverages contract the blood vessels and also restrict your digestion. Drink water from glass bottles or steel bottles instead of narrow-necked copper bottles. Copper bottles are good, but cleaning is very difficult in this bottle. When they are not cleaned properly, a layer of copper carbonate gets formed at the bottom, which is not at all good for your health.
Almost 70% of our body is made up of water. We can survive up to several weeks without food, but not even a single day without water. Every system in the body, from cells and tissues to vital organs, require water to function. That is why it's more important to drink water the right way, or else problems like migraine, joint pain, skin problem, hair fall, heart and kidney problems may occur.
You should avoid that.
I didn't know that. Now I'll sit and drink.
Yes, that's better.
Done.
If you like this video and you want to add more to it, please feel free to share this in the comments below. We'll be glad to include in our upcoming videos.
Till then, take care.
Bye-bye.